Oh, yes, you are welcome to Heroic Universal Concept International. It's a great delight to welcome you today. If you've been following our activities, you believe that we are doing amazing things, okay? Heroic Universal Concept International is an ICT firm, okay? So we train students on ICT courses, okay, and other courses as well. Okay, and we are coming up with lots and lots and lots of innovations. Today, I have a wonderful, mind blowing presentation I want to make. This is a business presentation, a wonderful concept that will help you make money for life. Okay, you will just invest once and make money for life. This is a huge innovation, a mind blowing innovation from Heroic Universal Concept International. All right. We call it Heroic Ambassadors Collective Investment. So this is a kind of investment whereby all heroic ambassadors. Meanwhile, let me talk about heroic ambassadors briefly. Heroic ambassadors are people that are helping in the promotion of heroic products and services. Okay, they promote heroic products and services and earn from it. All right. Now, heroic ambassadors collective investment is a kind of investment whereby you invest once and earn money for life. Okay, it's a mind-blowing investment, and that is what we're going to talk about today. Okay, there is nothing as huge and as amazing as a situation whereby many people are funding a project. When many people are funding a project, that project will grow faster and blossom as long as it is well managed. That is why companies are growing and blossoming, because they have many people funding the company. You understand that? And that is the idea we are bringing forward to you. You invest once and you earn money for life. Okay, let's explain it. The minimum investment you can make to join to invest in this heroic collective investment is 3,000 naira. Okay, but you can invest more. 3,000 naira is the minimum. Okay, but you can invest more, because the more you invest, the more you gain. Okay, you can invest 5,000, you can invest 10,000, you can invest 20,000, 100,000, any amount you want to invest. The more you invest, the higher you are going to gain, and the higher you are going to continue to gain for life. The amazing part of this is that you are going to continue to gain for life. Okay, all right. Then the maximum investment is limitless. You can invest any amount. Okay, then because this is the first investment we are about to make, we are just starting up this. We are expecting to start with 100,000 this investment. Well, this project we are expecting to start with 100,000 naira. Okay, but if we get more, that's okay. We're just looking at 100,000 minimum. Okay, and that is the essence of making this presentation, because I want to explain this concept. Some people are already buying into it. I want to take my time to explain the concept to you, so that when you clearly understand it, you now decide to see if it's something that you can go into. Okay, all right. Now let me continue. Lifetime investment, how it works. How does it work? Actually, it has phases. Okay, the first phase. In the first phase, you are going to invest minimum of 3,000. But before this, please, this investment is for all heroic ambassadors, like I said before. So if you want to participate in this investment, you are going to first of all join heroic ambassadors. Do you understand? You have to join heroic ambassadors you have to register with 5,000 naira, because I didn't actually record it here. I didn't put it here. You have to register to join heroic ambassadors with 5,000 naira. This amount will continue to increase. Okay, it continue to increase. Maybe by the time you are listening to, but when you are listening to this presentation, you have to verify from me to know the present amount. Okay, the current amount. Okay, But for now, it is 5,000 and you have to pay to join Heroic Ambassadors. That is if you want to join in the promotion of Heroic products and services and earn from it. Okay? Or you just want to make this investment. Then you have to register as a Heroic Ambassador with 5,000 naira. Or you pay for Heroic courses. You can pay for Heroic web development course, okay, or any other course to join. But you have to invest, you have to pay for something in Heroic Institute. Okay, once you pay for a course in Heroic Institute, as long as that course is either below, either within 5,000 or above 5,000 naira, then you are qualified to join Heroic Ambassadors. Okay, but if you don't want to pay for any course, you just want to join the ambassadors and invest in this project, then you have to register with 5,000 naira. So when you register with 5,000 naira, we are going to give you free training on digital marketing, where you're going to learn digital marketing. You're going to learn WhatsApp marketing, Facebook and Instagram ad, email marketing, and others. Okay, because we want to equip you with what it takes to promote on social media. We're also going to train you on how to use Heroic Dashboard, okay, and promotional blog to promote Heroic products and services. Then when you would have become an ambassador, that is when you will now consider, that is when you will now consider investing in this project. That is when you would have become an ambassador. You will now consider investing in this project. Okay, now let me explain how this lifetime investment works. The first phase of it is where you have to invest money. You invest any amount of money from 3,000 naira and above. Okay, then after everybody would have invested, let's say we have 10 people that are interested in it, and all of them have invested. After the investment, we are going to give deadline for this investment. Okay, and I'm suggesting I'm thinking ending of this month, June 2021. Okay, ending of June 2021, we would have started this investment. So if you want to invest, you must invest within this time. Okay, if you are going to invest after ending of June, then you will join the second batch of investors. But if you want to join the first batch of this investment, then you have to quickly invest within this month. Okay, so you invest minimum of 3,000 naira to join. Then after the money would have been collected, maybe we got 100,000 naira, then we now use it to run Facebook ad to promote Heroic products and services. For example, for now we are concentrating on promoting our web development courses. Okay, now let's say after collecting the money, then we'll now use it to promote our web development course. Let me explain to you why this is necessary. I've actually managed Heroic Ambassadors for a long time, and I found out that some of the ambassadors are earning money while others are not, even though some others are working hard, but they are not earning. Okay, because some people are actually more gifted to do this than others. Then at a point, I decided to do something to make everybody gain, because I want all ambassadors to gain. I don't just want some people to gain and some people lose. No, I want all to gain. So that was why I came up with this lifetime investment, whereby everybody will gain, okay, so that nobody will lose. Okay, let me come back to the first phase again. Just invest the minimum of 3,000 naira. Okay, then when everybody would have invested within when we got to the deadline, when we get to the deadline, then we have to start the promotion of Heroic products and services. We are not going to use the money. We are going to use it to run Facebook ad and other social media ad to get students. For example, we are going to start with promotion of Heroic web development project, web development courses. Okay, now we are going to run Facebook ad to get students to buy our courses. Okay, then after running the Facebook ad with the money, maybe for let's say 2 weeks, we run 2 weeks Facebook ad with the money. Then at the end of the day, the number of students we get, we are going to at the second phase, when we are done running the ad, we are going to get some students to buy into the course. Okay, then the money gotten from the ad, the gain, the ambassadors usually the ambassadors have 50% of the gain. Okay, then we are not going to give the ambassadors, those that invested in this, 50% of the money. Okay, when we give them, when we get the 50% of the money, we are going to, out of the 50% of the money, the ambassadors will take back their investment, their capital. For example, if you invested 3,000 naira or 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira, you are going to take back your 10,000 naira or your 3,000 naira or whichever amount you invested. You are going to take it back from the initial gain we got. Okay, you take back your money. That means you have recovered your capital within 3 months. So that is how the first phase is. So the first phase is, you first of all invest the amount you want to invest, minimum of 3,000. Then secondly, the money will be used to run Facebook ad to promote heroic products and services. Then thirdly, you recover the money, your capital, within 3 months. Okay, that is the first phase. Let's talk about second phase. Then in the second phase, the profit gotten from the money, after you would have deducted we would have deducted the capital, then you would have gotten your own capital. Okay, then the profit will be reinvested in the promotion of heroic products and services. So we are going to use the money again to promote heroic products and services. That is the second phase. Then at the end of the promotion, remember that you've recovered your capital. So you are no longer losing it. You are not losing anything at all. In fact, you are gaining everything. Okay? Then we are having recovered your money. Then we are going to use the profit to run ad. After running the ad, the 50% of the money, as usual, will go to all ambassadors. Okay? Those that invested. Okay, now this 50%, that is their profits, which is their profits. They are going to divide it by half. Okay, then they will share half and use the half of it to run another promotion. Okay, so that is what I said. They are 50% of the profit shared among the ambassadors based on their investment. Then the money will be shared based on their investment, based on the amount they invested. Okay, so if you invest 10,000 naira, then you will now get the profit based on that 10,000. Maybe the 10,000 naira might be, let's say if the total money is 100,000 and you invested 10,000 naira, then it means that you have 10% share, okay, in this project. So if eventually we got the profit of 200,000 naira, okay, to share among the ambassadors, that means you have 10% of that money. Okay, so you have it. Then half of it will be invested again in promoting heroic products and services. I believe that makes sense. Then we are going to, remaining half of it, we are going to reinvest the remaining half. Okay, they have to continue the promotion. Okay, then the cycle of earning and the reinvestment continues non-stop. I believe you got how it works. Let me give you a kind of a calculation that will explain it clearly for you. This is a simple calculation. Your investment, you invested, let's say you invested 10,000 naira, which is your first investment. Then total investment, everybody invested, let's say it's 100,000 naira. Okay, now amount realized after promotion. Then after promotion, we got, for example, we got 3,000 naira, which is the amount for ambassadors. Okay, the profit the ambassadors made. Okay, 3,000 naira, which should be the percentage of 50% given to ambassadors. Okay, now amount reinvested after the capital is deducted and shared among all investors. Like I told you, the capital, which is this 100,000, will be deducted from this 300,000 naira. Okay, and the ambassadors will share it based on their contribution. So if you contribute 10,000, you have to take back your 10,000. You understand? Now, the remaining amount now is 200,000 naira. Okay. Now, we are now going to use this 200,000 naira to run another promotion. Okay, to run another promotion. So that is to say that in the first phase, you are not going to gain anything. You are just going to take back your money. So you don't lose, but you've not gained. You've not gained money. Okay, but I won't forget to tell you that you will have access to. You are going to have access to. Okay, let's talk about this one later. Okay, I'll talk about this one later. Let's continue with this one, so that you don't get distracted. Okay, so that is to say, in the first phase, you will recover your money. Okay, your capital. Then the money gotten from the first phase will be used to run, as in the profit made from the first phase will be used to run ad again. After running ad, then let's say after running ad, the gain made by ambassadors, as in the 50% that goes to the ambassadors, maybe it gives them 600,000, for example. Now what will happen is that they are going to divide this 600,000 by 2. Okay, then the profit they are going to share is 300,000 naira. Okay, which is half of 600,000. Now, amount they are going to reinvest, they are going to reinvest 300,000 naira. Okay, now it continues like this. So if each time they get a profit, they share half of it, they will reinvest half of it. So I will handle everything, the sharing and the reinvestment. I'm coding a system. I'm coding a system that will coordinate the affairs of the ambassadors in this project. So everything, your profit, your gain, everything is going to be coordinated in my website. Okay, so everything is going to be coordinated transparently in my website. So if you're interested in this, I don't think there is need for you to waste time. I'm going to stop this video. I will start another video to explain further. Okay, let me quickly finish up this because we don't actually have much left. Let me finish this in one video. Okay, all right. Now we are going to invest in businesses. Okay, we are going to invest in businesses. Apart from Heroic, number one, we are going to invest in Heroic online courses and books. Okay, then we are going to invest in Heroic software production because we are going to start producing softwares. Okay, that we are going to invest in it with the money and gain profit. We are going to invest in Heroic YouTube channels. We are going to invest in Heroic blog, and we use Google AdSense to make money. And also, that blog will also make us money. Okay, then we are also going to invest in Heroic e-commerce shop. Okay, then we invest in other Heroic innovations. Then we're also going to invest in the businesses of our investors, of ambassadors. For example, if you are an ambassador and you have a business, you have a skill, and you are good, you are a guru, you are a professional, you are doing so well in your field, then we study your work and we believe in you. Then if your job or if your work has higher profit margin, we can invest in it. Okay, our investment will improve your business. Then when the investment starts making money, the ambassadors will gain. So we are going to invest in any business that has higher profit margin. Okay, as long as we agree with you, we agree with the business and everything works transparently, we are going to invest in it. Okay, now one more gain all investors will gain, all ambassadors that invest in this project will gain, is that they are going to have access to all our prospects. Because the way we promote our products and services is that we are going to build lists of prospects before marketing to them. So everybody that participates in this will have access to the list. If we have 10,000 lists, we are going to have access to the 10,000 people, those 10,000 prospects, so that if you want to market to them on your own, you can. If you have other businesses you want to market to them, you can. You understand? That is one good, wonderful advantage anybody that invests in this project will gain. Okay, Then you're also going to earn money for life. I've explained how it works, okay, how it will continue and continue non-stop. The money will continue to grow bigger and bigger. And before you know that, some ambassadors will begin to earn their profit in millions. I mean it. Okay, good. Few more things to note. New members to repeat the lifetime investment cycle. Let me explain. If eventually after our initial investment right now, which we're about to do, if you want to join later, maybe second batch, third batch, or whatever batch you want to join, you are going to repeat the investment cycle. That is to say, you are going to first of all invest. When you invest, in the first phase of your investment, you take back your capital. Then in the second phase, you start earning. So everybody that joined will repeat the process. Okay. Then minimum investment will gradually rise. That is to say, right now we started with 3,000. Maybe next adventure we might start with 5,000 or 10,000 minimum investment. The higher their money we get, the higher the minimum investment new members will make, okay, to join. So it's better you join now so that you don't join when the money is beyond your reach. Okay, then there is money back guarantee. In case if you are not able to get back your money, let's say we invested and it didn't work, which I know it's going to work perfectly. But let's say if you are afraid that what if we didn't make profit? What will happen? If we didn't make profit, I'm going to pay you the money back because I have the money already. Okay, like I can afford to pay you. Do you understand? So if we don't make profits, like you're afraid that we can't make profit, that you might not recover your money. The money is more if you invested. As long as the money you invested is within 100,000, I can comfortably afford to pay you. Even if you invest 200, 300,000, I can comfortably afford to pay you. Do you understand? So you don't have anything to lose. Your money will be paid back, but the money will be paid back in 6 months. After 6 months, unless after 6 months you didn't get back your money and you didn't make profit, the money will be paid back to you in cash and in full, and you still have access to all the prospects we would have built with the money. You still have access to the prospects. You have your money, you still have access to prospects, so you can market to the prospects in your own way and still make money. Okay, then we have target of hitting 1 billion in 5 years. I mean it, and I have plans to make it work. We are going to hit 1 billion naira in 5 years. We can even make more. We can even hit more than that. Okay, so the promotion will be extended to other African countries. Yeah, at least I have some other African countries that are already interested in my web development project, in my web development courses. So we are going to extend the promotion to, it will not be just within Nigeria. We're going to move ahead. Okay, we're going to extend it to other African countries. Okay, so investors must not join the promotion if they are busy. You know, there are some people that are busy. They are busy, but they have the money. As in, they have some money to invest. So if you are busy and you won't have time to join in a promotion, like to promote in your WhatsApp status and stuff like that, you can just make your investment. Make your investment. We have the system to promote. I'm even employing people to help in the promotion. Like I'm also going to do powerful promotion myself. And some ambassadors are also here to promote. But you know that if you promote, if you have the time to promote, you will make more money. But even if you don't promote, you are busy, you still make money, and you continue to make money for life. That's the amazing part of it. Okay, so I think that's basically it. So when you look at this, you see that this is wonderful. The investment is not doesn't tear your pocket. It's just small money. It's something that if you are intending to invest, let's say 5,000 naira, 5,000 naira is money you can, even if you lose it, you will not even cry. Okay, it's not too big, too huge that you are going to be too afraid to invest. Okay, and again, there is money back guarantee. You are not losing anything. I'm going to write terms and conditions when I'm done building the software that will manage this project. The terms and conditions will cover this money back guarantee, so that if I didn't pay you back, then you can sue me. You can make reference to the terms and conditions and sue me. Okay, to show you that I'm very serious about this. So if you are interested, don't waste time. Invest immediately. Chat me up. I am Uche Joe, an ICT consultant, and I'm the founder of Heroic Universal Concept International. You can call or WhatsApp me on this number you are seeing on the screen, okay, so that you can invest. Okay, now you can invest. Okay, I didn't even show you the account details you are going to invest in. Okay, you're going to invest in a GTB account. Okay, you're going to invest in our GTB account. Let me show you the account. Let me open our website and show you the account you're going to invest in. All right, just know that this is a heavy opportunity for you. Okay, this country is we don't know where the country is heading to, so we are going to be a step ahead to win. We must be a step ahead to win. Okay, and there's no way to win, no best way to win other than investing. You understand me? So if I were you, I wouldn't waste time to invest. Okay, invest the much you have now. If you let's say later you have more money and you want to invest more, you know, by the time you begin to make money now, it will begin to sweet you. Then if the money begins to sweet you and you want to make more money, you can still invest more. Okay, you invest more, and the more you invest, the more you make more money. Okay, we are here to keep bringing up concepts, wonderful concepts that will be a game changer. Okay, that will change a whole lot for you. Now, this is the account details where you're going to pay in money. You're going to pay in money to UBA, and this is the account number. Okay, Heroic Universal Concept International is the account name. Okay, once you pay the money, you send me a screenshot. You send a screenshot to me. Okay, then if you are not yet an ambassador, if you are an ambassador, you can send a screenshot to the group, ambassadors WhatsApp group. But if you are not yet an ambassador, remember that you have to first of all register as an ambassador. Okay, you have to register. You have to pay the 5,000 naira for registration fee to this account details. Okay, after payment, you send your payment details to me on WhatsApp, to this number on WhatsApp. Okay, then I will confirm it and give you a link to register. When you're done registering, you can now invest in Heroic Ambassadors. If you want to invest both in the ambassadors and registration immediately, you calculate the money you want to invest. Let's say you want to invest 5,000 naira for this ambassadors collective investment, and then it means that if you are not yet an ambassador, you have to budget 10,000 naira. So 5,000 naira for 5,000 naira for registration, 5,000 naira for investment. You pay it to this account details. Send me your evidence of payment. I will confirm it and give you access to register and join our members. Okay. Now, how much are you going to gain? Like someone was asking me how much he's going to gain if he joins the ambassadors collective investment. The amount is based on how much we got during promotion. So the amount is not going to be specified. It is based on, we are going to use it to promote our courses here and our other projects here. Then eventually, if we get 500,000, then that becomes your gain. Then you share it based on your investment. Okay, and I believe this makes sense. So I want to once again encourage you to invest. This is a wonderful opportunity for you. Thank you so much.